I started trading with my $5,000 account after my initial deposit of $221 on FXTM trading platform. And what happened to my $5,000? We are about to find out in this video. Now, I usually used to think that the money people mention here on social media concerning how much they make trading forex, especially here on YouTube, where you can see a lot of people who are millionaires in forex, right? They make a lot of money, thousands of dollars trading forex, until I get to find out myself why trading forex. So on this video, I'm going to show you 3 news to watch out for if you intend to take forex trading as a career. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love with the volatility that this news brings to the market, making the candle to grow very fast either towards your take profit or your stop loss. Okay, but I promise you, trading news is suicide. There are so many traders out there that trade news as their career. When I came across ICT content, he opened my eyes to see reasons why I shouldn't trade in news, and that is why I want to share with you the 3 news that you need to watch out for if you want to trade forex. If today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for checking back. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel if you have not done already, so that more people can get to find this video and avoid trading news so that they don't commit suicide like I said in this video. Before I continue the video, let me show you the $5,000 account that I'm talking about. It's right here. I don't know if you can actually spot it. It's just right there. I don't know. So what is actually in that account right now is $4,832. Okay, now what happened to that account is what we are going to find out in this video. Okay, so with that being said, the first news that I want you to look out for when you are trading the forex, in order for your account not to be blown, is called the NFP news. Okay, I'm going to explain what this news does to the forex market, the volatility it brings to the forex market, and the effect of it on the forex market, so that you can run away when you hear about the NFP news. The NFP news tends to have more effect. It's limited to USD. Okay, so it has more effect on USD pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD. If you are trading these pairs, you need to actually watch out for the news, okay? Because when it comes into the market, it comes with a lot of volatility that sometimes does not care about your take profit or your stop loss, okay? And that can actually dip down into your account. So you might want to ask, what is really the effect of this news in the forex market? The NFP release tends to have a larger movement in the forex market, just like what I explained earlier, and this happens within a short period of time. Sometimes it's in seconds, and the candle moves so fast. Okay, so you have to stay away anytime you hear about NFP news. Okay, stay away from the market. Stop trading at that moment until the news is over with. So generally, the NFP news is among the biggest market moves, okay? And it's also one of the most watched news. The next news for you to watch out for if you're trading forex so you don't end up losing your account is called the FOMC news. It comes with high volatility in the market, and that is why you should stay away from the market whenever the FOMC news is in place, so you don't end up losing your account. So the third news for you to watch out for is called the CPI news. This news also comes with higher volatility into the market and causes damage, and sometimes it changes the market's direction. Sometimes you have your strategy telling you that the market needs to move towards the upside, all right? But when the news comes in, even if the market needed to have moved to the upside, it brings it lower before taking it to where it ought to go. Okay, so sometimes this news actually affects the structure of the market. That is why you should stay away from it if you really want to keep your money in the forex market. Okay, so each time you hear FOMC news, the CPI news, and the NFP news, you just have to stay away from the forex market so you don't end up losing your money. Now back to what happened to the first initial deposit of $221 on the forex market in FXTM broker. Now back to what happened to the $5,000 account. Let me first talk about the $221 first deposit on FXTM trading platform. When I first deposited the $221, I like trading news because it moves faster, like I said, until the news actually dealt with me, right? The news went in, never respected my stop loss, and went deep into my account and had that account blown up before I got the $5,000 account. Now, the present condition of the $5,000 is no longer $5,000. Do you know why? I said we're not trading the news until I came across ICT content that actually taught me a lot. It was really a mind-changing situation for me because ICT dealt a lot with news. He never traded any day that the news is going to be released in the forex market. I mean, that very moment that the news is coming, he always advises people not to trade, and I keyed into it. I started doing exact same thing that ICT was doing, and that is why you see the money that I showed you. The money went below 4,000, right? But right now it's coming back to my $5,000. Okay, that is why my $5,000 is safe. Okay, so if you want to dive into the forex market and do exploit and make thousands of dollars, millions in the forex market, just like other people are doing, then you have to be cognizant of the news that is going to destroy your account. Okay, so this is my little story about my $5,000 account that has been saved. I hope you enjoy my story, and if you want to really trade forex and take it as a career for you, you're welcome. For me, my honest review is forex trading is not a scam. It's actually real, right? You can trade and make money for yourself and have a better living and all that, only trading forex. So if you want to start trading forex, you are welcome to do so. And if you're watching this video and you are looking for something to motivate you to start up a YouTube channel, the best time to do that is now. Watch out for my subsequent videos on how to make money from your YouTube channel. And if you're looking for other side hustles that you can actually start up, you can go watch some couple of my videos that I talked about some side hustle that is actually going to be beneficial to you. All right, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. See you in my next episode. Peace.